Welcome back everyone to my channel, and I'm really sorry that I have been very inconsistent about my journey. It has been a lot for the past 1 year, and my channel was supposed to be about review of the tools and equipments that I use to boost my business. So today I actually bought another product that I've been using for the past 1 year. Really liked it, and I like it so much that I bought a second one. So today I'm just going to do a quick review about it and show you guys what was it. It was the portable monitor that I bought. I didn't know a lot about it, and I saw it online in Amazon last year, and I thought that I really need it because in the nature of my job, sometimes I travel for work. Although I'm not a digital nomad, but I do travel around to have meetings, and I would love it if I have a dual screen. I'm so used to multiple screens in my previous. I used to have like 4 or 5 screens referring data, just like comparing, and then it just helped me a lot boost my work efficiency. That's why I was looking for it and did very little research about this product. It wasn't a lot of details online, but the price was very decent. I bought it last year about $100 or $110, so I was like, oh, this product seems good, why not give it a try? And the reason why I bought a second one, because I was traveling around with my friend and he asked if he can use my monitor. I was like, oh yes, just take it. I may not need it as you do, because he's a digital nomad. Now I was thinking, you know what, I really need one. So I gave mine to my friend during our travel, and I came back home to Australia and bought a second one. Now, I'm not gonna waste a lot of people's time. I'm just gonna unpack it. Let me give you another shot. So I bought this 15.6 inches. It's just perfect for my MacBook, which is about 15 inches as well. Really well designed box. It's like a Apple design, very simplistic, black and white, which is the color of my brand too. And let's destroy this plastic wrap. I don't think I'm going to return it, so why not? But it came as it is last year, so it came with the case as well. So there you go, it came as a case. So another box here, you should find all the wire, cable that you need. So I'm not sure if I had this last year, but it's good that it came with it. So it came with 3 different cables and some wiper. And to be honest with you, I only use one thing, and because mine is Mac, I don't use HDMI, I don't use USB-C anymore, so I use Type-C and Type-C. So I'm gonna keep this one. I'll put the rest in my other safety box. To be honest, I don't think we really need this, but I'll explain why later. Just to prove to you guys that why I say this is the second time I bought the same product and why I really liked it. You can see this is the second time I purchased it. So I just recently purchased you guys how it works. And so taking an example of I'm using USB Type-C to Type-C. So if you have the latest Mac, this is probably what you're using anyway, to show you. So I quickly set it up. So put in the Type-C and connect it to my laptop. There you go. So the good news is that you don't even need to have a power plug on your laptop. I have my laptop here and also the monitor that I just bought, and I really liked it. It really helped me to boost my productivity and efficiency for my work, because I love to be able to see 2 screens to make data comparison. So again, this is a product I would recommend if you're like me, traveling around, like to move about. Another reason why I really like it, just to show you in person that how you envision if you bought it for yourself. So if I just close my laptop and close my monitor. There you go, that's it. Unplug the cable. Again, you don't need to connect to your power plug to make it work. It just utilize the power from your laptop itself. Anyway, that's it. It's just a very quick review. I got to go work now, and see you guys next time.